make you not go anywhere. Just to wait to there, make I tell you something. Dr. Old School, you don't come again. I never come again. I still dey far away. Make you wait till I reach where I dey go. Where you dey go? If I reach where you dey go, if I reach where you dey go, don't ask me where you dey go. Wait and see. To cut the story short, government magic, government magic, APC magic, APC magic, Buhari magic, Tinubu magic, Amechi magic, Oshobaba magic, government magic, Uzo Kalu magic, Fashola magic, government magic, Nigeria magic, APC magic, INEC magic, Buhari magic, INEC magic. Good day Nigeria, good day Africa.
You don't see them.
Solidarity forever.
The guy never sleep.
Why genuine love will better start? They don't break everywhere, don't burst. You dey feel me? They feel the lamba. You know how they go for your zanga. Make una see me see Nigeria. Today na the first time for this world that we dey get public holiday for no reason. Free bonanza public holiday. Thank God for those people where they go work, where they don't tire, where they need rest. When I use and rest, when I take senge on a life, make everywhere for steal. Make God judge this our smelly government where they frustrate black people. They complain saying that white people get the problem. We don't know saying that we they kill ourselves. Over 50,000 people don't travel from different locations. What is 50,000? Over 50 million people don't travel from different locations. They go their village, their houses, or where they from come, or where they for few vote. Where they for vote, make this 2019 election for get ahead, move for get way forward. Now Nigerian government, Buhari and his cabal and his squad, they go pass back, go the radio INEC, to make INEC change the matter. Few hours to election, not be saying na 2 days, not be 3 days, not be 1 week, not be 1 month. About 10 to 8 hours to election. They go the whole emergency meeting for 12 o'clock for night, we not gree finish. They come they tell us this morning now say election no go day. How I want to do all those people who don't from Lagos travel go east? How I want to do those people who don't from north travel go south? How I want to do those people who don't from town go their village, their local government won't go vote. Now bad plan this APC people get. They don't see as say people don't over travel go their place we won't vote against them. They won't waste their time. They can't cut this election today now, today. Go put them on the 23rd. We'll be 1 week, 7 days away from now. So how people want to survive? Those persons will be saying they will go their village or go their location, go vote today, then come back to where they for the work on Monday. How they want to do it now? Oh, now I want to make them tired, make them frustrated, so that they will come up from where they want for vote, go back to their base or their working place, so that they know if you can't those people vote again, they don't go fit vote. Nigeria, you those of on way never get sense. But gonna bring on head, come here, when I can't take sense, so even if on a match on a sense for ground, we're gonna come out on a leg, oh. Our life they drastically they come to an end when we still dey alive. Will they end up become coward where they die repeatedly before the main death come? Nigerian youth, tell una see wetin una parents they do. Nigerian youth, tell una see wetin una leaders they do. And for those of una wey dey already collect money, we want to vote one time. When I chop the money, nothing dey happen. When I still collect another money again, and when I use una brain, una konuche, una agbari, una apolo, una erere, una iroro. When I take vote well on the 23 yo. See, this present government not get where they carry us go. This present government don't show us say Nigeria dey problem. Nigeria don't sink. E not get any election for Nigeria where it don't be free and fair before, right since 1960. But this one a disaster. This one a taboo. This one, e no follow light at all. Read my lips. E no follow light at all. Na blind man level be this one. Na wetin Fela and Nicholas Pakuti late dey call say zombie oh zombie, zombie oh zombie, zombie no go unless you tell am to go. Zombie, zombie no go talk unless you tell am to talk. Zombie no go unless you tell am to vote. Zombie, zombie oh zombie. Nigerian youth, time don reach make we take help ourselves. Time don reach, and for those of una wey dey go kill one another because of election, those of una wey dey go scatter people property because of election, make una think of those people wey una dey scatter for, where their children dey. Their children dey for Birmingham, their children dey for Newcastle, their children dey for California, their children dey for Sicily, their children dey for Ontario. They dey chop with 2 hands, they lick strawberry and lollipop. They love lies the best girls and best ladies in the world. They fly private jets. They live excellent life. Then you dey here, they carry your car made. They find person where you want light because of 50K of election. You dey find police unit where you want go scatter because say your godfather don't promise you say you go soon reach your turn. Shame on you. Shame on you, Nigerian youth. After this thing where APC government do so, after this thing where this smelly Nigerian government do so, I expect all Nigerian youth to be liberated by this act, this smelly act, this barbaric act, this unconstitutional act. If we not repair Nigeria by ourselves, all of us go perish if we not unite. Yes, many of them dey talk say Sowore na this, Sowore na this, Sowore na this, Sowore na that. But what is our old people don't do for us since the beginning of Nigeria? Sowore cannot be the best or may not be the best. But with a manifesto, with what they talk come up for mouth, it shows say light dey there, it shows say hope dey there, it shows say future dey there. Even if anybody dey use am or anybody not dey use am, just vote for him, make him become president, make him fuck up, may we see whether we no go fall in hand more than we dey fall them Buhari hand and every other person hand. So, my brothers and sisters, I cannot do it alone. My brothers and sisters, talk not a full basket. Talk is cheap, talk is free. Actions speak louder than voice. I am the voice in the wilderness, crying out for freedom, crying out for genuine freedom. I may sound funny, I may sound crazy, I may even sound stupid, because now what in Nigeria they like. If you dey do humbleness or you dey do legitimate thing, they'll say you be mugu, you no get mind, you no get swag. But when you dey do negativity, they'll say, yeah, that na gama, that guy know what's up. Not lie. You are going to doom yourself. You are going to frustrate your generation and your lineage. Leave darkness and come to light. Take your destiny in your hand. I am not asking anybody to fight or go to war. I am simply asking you to be constitutional, to be legitimate, and to be human. Not just be human being. Be human. Think of other people the way you think of yourself. And think of what will happen to your children for the havoc where you commit today. Africa unites. Nigerians be wise. Solidarity forever. One love with better style.